Okay, so this is how I create the same character on Recraft. So first I click on this one, the multiple canvas creator. I drag to make the shape either a square or portrait, however you like it. And when I release, I get the 6 blank canvas over here. Okay, and this is where you enter the prompt on the left. So before I asked ChatGPT to write 12 text to image description for a children's book about a bear. This one is about a bear, but you can do your own. And I'm taking each and every one of them, each and every prompt, and enter it here. Notice there's a mistake there. Okay, so just bear with me. Let me just enter the 6 prompts over here, the first 6 prompts. That's the last prompt. There, at the bottom here, there's a slider, and it goes from low details to extreme. And for children's books, usually I go from low to medium. So let's say keep it to medium. And then over here you select the type of image you want, raster or vector, whatever you prefer. Let me try and do raster for this one and select illustrations, but let's try have a go with hand-drawn, for example. There's watercolor, there's plenty to choose from here, but let's do hand-drawn for this one. And you click on Recraft here. I'm doing this in real time, so you know exactly how long it takes to create. Doesn't take long usually. Okay, and here we have the bear. As you notice, there's the same color background, more or less the bear is the same. So the bear is getting up according to each and every prompt. You know, when you click on each picture, on the side you get the prompt. And then it's brushing its teeth, and then it's having breakfast, preparing its bags, saying bye to his parents, and off to school. So let's say I don't like this one. That toothbrush is very weird. Must be a bird toothbrush. Okay, so I click on it and I just recraft this picture only by clicking on Recraft. Wait a little bit again. And that's another one. Still I don't see the toothbrush. Let me try again. You have to play around with it a little bit, you know, until you get what you're after. Sometimes you get it immediately, otherwise it takes a while. You can change the prompt also. Okay, let's say we're happy with this. And then if you notice, every time you create a prompt, you create an illustration from the prompt, you get 2 images at the bottom. So you can choose the one most appropriate for your book or for your character. Okay, so let's say I'm sticking to this one. And then you can either start downloading one by one, and you do that by exporting. I tend to change the resolution here to, let's say, 3000, and just click on JPEG or PNG. And or else you can download it as it is and then use another upscaling tool like dgb.lol, and you upscale it there. Then to continue, if you want to continue with the story, you can drag everything. Okay, so let's say, okay, so as you can see over here, you have the image set, the 6 image set. You can just drag each and every one outside by dragging it outside the canvas like this, and then you recreate. It's important that you don't leave the canvas, otherwise you're not going to get the same style. So let's say I want to continue to go back to the grid. You click here on image set and you get the 6 prompts on the side. And let's say I continue with the story. So I need to change this one. I'm going to change this one. Let's say changing the first one, clicking here, changing the prompt and Recraft. And like that, you continue with the story and you have the two oops, let me remove this one from you get the 2 options at the bottom to choose from, and you get the continuation of the story. And that's how you keep the same style and the same character, more or less. And there you go.